This is gonna blow your mind. Rhode Island's state bird is actually a chicken. Yep, you heard that right. So, let's talk state birds. Most states go for something majestic like the bald eagle or the cardinal. But Rhode Island? They chose the Rhode Island red chicken. Yeah, it's a chicken, folks. Unlike those flashy wild birds, this bad boy struts around the farmyard. Why a chicken, you ask? Well, Rhode Island Reds are famous for their toughness and egg-laying skills. And hey, nothing says home like a good old chicken coop, right? But seriously, it's pretty cool to be the only state with a barnyard legend as its symbol. So, next time someone asks about the weirdest state bird, you can confidently say, it's a chicken, and it's clucking awesome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quirky facts.